Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tea buns. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, half a cup of sugar, and a 1/4 cup of softened butter. Don't forget 1 egg, half a cup of milk, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and a small pinch of salt. These simple items are the foundation for delicious, homemade tea buns. Make sure everything is measured precisely for the best results. Now let's get our hands a little messy. In a large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients, the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Next, add the cold, cubed butter and use your fingertips or a pastry blender to cut it into the dry mixture until it resembles coarse crumbs. Finally, create a well in the center, add the egg and milk, and mix gently until a soft, shaggy dough comes together. Avoid overmixing for tender buns. With your dough ready, it's time to shape those lovely buns. Lightly flour a clean surface and gently knead the dough for about 30 seconds. Then, roll it out to approximately ½ inch thick. Use a round cutter, about 2½ inches in diameter, to cut out 12 individual buns. Place them on a baking sheet and bake in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes, or until they're beautifully golden brown. Once your tea buns are out of the oven, let them cool on a wire rack for a few minutes. This helps them set and prevents them from becoming soggy. These delightful treats are best enjoyed warm, perhaps with a dollop of butter, your favorite jam, or even some clotted cream for a truly traditional experience. They're perfect for an afternoon tea or a cozy breakfast. For more great tips and deals, including a fantastic book on personal finance, check the description below this video. Enjoy your homemade tea buns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.